Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu. You can do it by pressing the crown button. So press it once to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called Other. It's going to be somewhere at the bottom. And once you find it, tap on it. Now look for the option called System Settings and tap on it. And here you should see the option called the language. Select it. It will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on the language to select it and apply it, for example, Spanish. And after a few seconds, the language should be applied. So if I go back, you should see the language being basically changed to Spanish. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like.